Video 537, let's get fucking going here. Okay, in the top of the lookup tables, we made a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros here, and we renamed all of these because this part needs to be exactly 7 letters. This needs to be exactly 7 letters. We added an extra little tag right here, and then down here, this also needs to be exactly 7 letters. Okay, so that's the material display name section. In TileBoy, we have stubbed in this function called hitTest LA3MSK 0TX 0TY. So we're going to take a layer, a hitTest mask, and then this is basically GTX GTY when the tile size exponent is 0. We are going to declare some variables right here. Pause to read them. We don't have time to explain them. Okay, H3X H3Y, we're going to get that by dividing by 320 and flooring it because each level pack is 320 by 320 of the smallest tile. To get a XY tile coordinate that is local to the current level pack, we're going to create an anti-remainder by multiplying H3X H3Y by 320. So this is our anti-remainder, and we're going to chop this amount off from our global coordinate to localize it to a coordinate that is local to the level pack, not to the level, to the level pack. We can then take that level pack local coordinate and divide it by 64 because each level is 64 by 64 of the smallest tiles, and now we know which room we are within a 5 by 5 grid. Not all rooms within that 5 by 5 grid are valid rooms. Some of them are void space. We need to know if we're in void space or not. So we're going to have to take this 2-dimensional value. We need to convert it to a 1-dimensional value, which we're going to use later, okay? We're going to debug really quick and range check our values. So we're range checking our values here. Then down here, we're going to see if we're in a void room. We're going to take the G25 and convert it to a void flag. If we have a void flag, we're in a void room, we're going to return 0. Otherwise, if we're not void, we have to do more calculations here. And then we're going to return the binary tile information for the first tile we hit when we do ray casting into the level. We're going to return that information right here. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes and stuff, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. You are on the fast playlist here. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.